Hello. Today we will learn English with Cinderella. Cinderella was very kind, but she was not happy. She lived with her mean stepmother and two mean stepsisters. Every day, Cinderella worked very hard. She cleaned the house, she cooked the food, she washed the clothes. Her dress was dirty and dusty. "Cinderella, clean this," her sisters shouted. Cinderella felt very tired. One day, a royal letter arrived. It was an invitation to the king's ball. The sisters were very happy. "We're going to the palace," they said. But they told Cinderella, "You cannot go. You must work." The sisters went to the ball. Cinderella stayed alone in the garden. She cried because she wanted to go. Suddenly, a bright light appeared. It was her fairy godmother. "Do not cry," she said. "You shall go to the ball." The fairy godmother waved her magic wand. Zap! A pumpkin turned into a golden carriage. Zap! 6 mice became white horses. Finally, zap! Cinderella's old dress changed into a beautiful blue gown and glass slippers. "One rule, Cinderella," said the fairy godmother. "The magic ended at midnight. You had to be home before 12 o'clock." Cinderella promised and drove to the palace. At the palace, everyone looked at Cinderella. She was beautiful. The prince asked her to dance. They danced and talked all night. The prince was very kind. Cinderella was very happy. Suddenly, the clock began to strike. Dong, dong. It was midnight. "I must go," Cinderella shouted. She ran down the stairs. One of her glass slippers fell off. She did not stop. She disappeared into the night. The prince found the glass shoe. He said, "I will marry the girl whose foot fits this shoe." He went to every house. The sisters tried the shoe, but their feet were too big. Finally, the prince found Cinderella. She put her foot into the shoe. It fitted perfectly. The prince was very happy. He found his princess. Cinderella went to the palace. She married the prince. They lived happily ever after. Let's look at the verbs we use today. Is, am, are. Was, were. Adalah, dulu. Clean, cleaned. Membersihkan. Go, went. Pergi. Say, said. Berkata. Find, found. Menemukan. Run, ran. Berlari. Let's continue to true or false game. Say true or false to the statements. 1. Cinderella lived with 3 kind sisters. False. She lived with 2 mean sisters. 2. The fairy godmother turned a pumpkin into a carriage. True. 3. Cinderella stayed at the ball until 2 in the morning. False. She left at midnight. 4. The glass shoe fitted Cinderella perfectly. True. Great job! You are becoming an English expert. Don't forget to subscribe for our next story. See you soon!